Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase your orders on Etsy for digital products in 2026 using real strategies that actually work right now. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to optimize your listings, improve conversions, drive traffic, and scale your store. So let's get started. Step 1. Fix your product market fit. Before marketing, make sure you're selling something people actually want. Winning categories in 2026 are Canva templates, digital planners, AI prompt packs, business templates, printable wall art. The key is solve a specific problem. A bad example is social media template. Good example, Instagram Reel Planner for coaches. Specific means higher conversions. Step 2, optimize your titles, right? Or you can use Etsy SEO. Your title helps Etsy rank your product. The structure should be main keyword, secondary keyword, benefit. Example, budget planner printable, monthly finance tracker PDF, money saving template. Use keywords people actually search. Step 3, use high converting thumbnails. Your first image means your sales engine. Make sure it is clean and bright, shows the product clearly, uses bold readable text, has strong contrast. Pro tip, your thumbnail should be readable even on mobile. Step 4, improve your product images. Use 5 to 10 images per listing. Main preview, features overview, how it works, what's included, and use case examples. Okay? More clarity, more trust, more sales. Step 5, write better descriptions. Your description should explain what the product is, show benefits, include instructions, answer common questions. Keep it simple and clear. Step 6, price strategically. Don't just guess your pricing. Use this strategy. Start competitive, increase price after reviews, offer bundles. Example, single product $9, bundle $29. Bundles increase your revenue per customer. Step 7, use Etsy ads smartly. Inside Etsy, turn on Etsy ads. Start with small budget, $2 to $5 a day, right? Promote your best listings. Focus only on products that already get clicks, right? Step 8, drive free traffic from social media. Don't rely only on Etsy. Use TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram, right? Show your product how your product works. Share tips, before and after results, tutorials. One viral video can bring hundreds of sales. Right? Step 9, get your first reviews fast. Reviews increase trust massively. To get them, price low at the start, offer high value, ask buyers politely. More reviews means higher ranking plus more conversions. Step 10, create more listings, right? Scale strategically. Etsy rewards activity. Instead of one product, create 10, then 30, then 50 plus. More listings means more chances to get traffic. Step 11, use keywords and tags. Tags help Etsy understand your product or Etsy's algorithm. Use long tail keywords, variations, buyer intent phrases. Okay? Example, budget planner printable, finance tracker PDF, monthly expense sheet. Right? Step 12, improve conversion rate. If people click but don't buy, fix thumbnail, pricing, description, product clarity. More conversions means Etsy ranks you higher. Right? Step 13, build product bundles. Bundles are powerful. Example, one planner for $10, full productivity bundle for $39. Customers prefer value packs. Step 14, analyze and improve. Check your Etsy stats, views, clicks, conversion rates. Then double down on what works, remove what doesn't. All right? Avoid these common mistakes. Low quality thumbnails, vague product titles, no SEO optimization, only 1 to 2 listings, no promotions. So, rewind, follow this. Create 5 products, optimize titles and images, post daily content, run small Etsy ads, Afterwards, get reviews. Lastly, scale to 50 plus products. Growing your sales on Etsy in 2026 is all about visibility plus conversion plus consistency. You don't need luck. You need a system that focuses on better product, better presentation, right? More listings, consistent promotion. Do this and your orders will grow over time, right? So make sure you check and analyze every time you renew or you improve on your product. Okay, like if people buy but don't if people click but don't buy, make sure to make some changes, right, to your product. Maybe the title's not working out, or maybe the description is a little bit vague, or you added like 1 to 3 variations. You need to add like 5 photos at least, or 5 mock-ups explaining how this product will be beneficial for the customer, the potential customer. So you need to check the stats, right? Views, clicks, conversion rate. Then double down on what works, remove what doesn't, right? That way you're gonna be able to know that if your client's actually here for the real deal, right? And what makes your product shines. What's that one element, one formula? Once you get that, your product will explode with just one video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.